Huge start for a controversial plan for Hamilton County.
A vote today means the process to approve Plan Hamilton is essentially starting over. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Chapman-Whitfield.
And I'm Josh. We told you last week about a vote to table the proposal. The plan would guide growth in the county. Some realtors and developers say it would slow growth at a dangerous rate. News Channel 9's Lily Butler reports on the confusion in today's vote. Lily.
Kim, Josh, legal issues came to light today with the resolution for Hamilton County Commissioners to adopt Plan Hamilton, which is a growth plan for Hamilton County. County Attorney Ruben Taylor said the plan had to be first approved by the Planning Commission before county commissioners could adopt the plan. Some commissioners said the resolution as written was now too messy, and it's best to let it die out so they can start from a clean slate. Constituents like Kim Helton, who worked on part of Plan Hamilton, say they're okay with doing a little more work.
Because to bring them back would just complicate the process, and it would be better to just start over.
Now that Plan Hamilton has to go through a different process to be adopted,
I'd like to introduce another resolution.
Commissioner Chip Baker introduced a resolution intended to speed up that process.
What this does is put a temporary halt to any new plats for 30 days, or unless the plan gets approved earlier. We have the ability to extend that 30 days if no action is taken.
Some residents say Baker's resolution was a step in the right direction.
To start, putting a little halt to the growth in some of these areas until we can get a plan in place.
But as Baker said, his resolution came together in 5 minutes.
We just passed this and you had no idea what you were doing.
And other commissioners, including Mike Chauncey, said it was not fair to all residents.
It was not advertised correctly to the public, and they weren't notified, especially the property owners of the applicants whose plat was up for approval next month.
Chauncey is the chairman of the zoning committee and says 15 plats were up for approval next month.
It's just an overreach of government, and I'm just tired of it. When's it going to stop?
We all agreed to do a plan. Let's get the plan together. Let's make it happen. And so there's no overreach. There's just an urgency to finish the job.
Though the resolution to put a halt on new plats did pass, it was not heavily one-sided. The vote was nearly split with 6 yeses and 5 noes. Kim?
Lily, thank you. And Baker said if a compromise plan for growth is presented before the 30-day pause, plat approval will go back to normal.